Hear my hope, let it echo in every soul that needs something to believe. Take my hand, never let go. Even one soft sound can shake the hardest ground. And even if we die trying to find the peace we lost, at least we'll know we tried. Didn't stand by, fingers crossed. Raise your voice, light the fire, till our hopes and fears reach 1,000,000 years. Lend your breath, join the choir, let the music spin o'er this broken land. And many years from now, if then you live to hear this song, a story about how all now join hands and sing along. It begins with just one note. The session's good, and what it takes to stay alone. Hear my hope.
What are you doing?
Here to finish what I started.
Let's get Emily and
How
go.
can you be so good-hearted? Everybody dies if we don't do this.
Disobedient, don't resist.
Or what?
Take your other eye.
Just try.
Look, this isn't what we talked
Abel, please, we don't have
about.
time for this.
Shut your mouth, abomination.
Abel, you can stop this.
Abel, please.
Enough.
Can't breathe, vision's getting blurry now. Nosebleed, never been so worried how I'm supposed to handle the pressure. Would have been better if I were anybody else. Dear Dad, tell me what you would have done. Too bad that I'm not your braver son. Why'd I have to be picked to lead? I said I could be anybody else. I'm supposed to do something. Am I supposed to do something? Do I run? Do I dare? Can I grab my own pair? Get a grip, grow a pair? Let me stop you right there. There's no cause for attack. Swallow your pride, cast your bloodlust aside. But you better fall back. I can't hold it much longer. We got you.
We need to be stronger.
No way. It's okay.
Hear my hope.
Save us,
Let it echo
in every soul that needs something to believe. Take my hand, never let go. Even one soft sound can shake the hardest ground. Why don't you help them? You so manipulator.
What's in it for me? I don't work for free. You want help, well you know the fee.
I will not reward a snake like you.
You'll watch them die unless you do.
Liar, you wouldn't dare.
Quid pro quo, it's only fair.
You really are a demon, pet.
You knew my game the day we met.
Hear my hope, let it thunder across this frightful ring till every last soul sings. Take my hand, feel the wonder, in perfect harmony we'll change our destiny. And many years from now, if then you live to hear this song, the story about how together we are strong. It begins